Nice to meet you.
Yeah, sure. Nice to meet you. He's got the. I sent him a picture. It's like side job. I sent him a picture of your car.
I got people swearing at me that they were told.
I did see like little I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I was like, you know, I mean, most of the time when you see a diesel and something, it's like a rat rod resto, you know, and it was not. It was like clean show barn that somebody like pulled their flathead Ford out of it and stuck in this Duramax. I'm like, what? I mean, it was clean. It looked good. It was cool.
He sold his truck to put all this in there. And he was like, fuck it, man, I'm gonna go balls to wall, let's go balls to wall, you know? Yeah, he drives this motherfucker everywhere, all the time.
Was it trim this nice?
So, the actual car when he died was almost, it was just being underneath, like not bad, you know, he probably could have found it. But it's a full
Don't even order it. I said, do we have a slave in stock? He's like, yeah. I'm like, there's your problem. But here's the problem. The slave's internal, so they can do as much at the same time. You spend a day drinking. What do you knew you were going to have to do it on this one too? He goes, yeah, but I didn't think in the first 500 miles. I figured maybe
we got lemonade and big jack.
Hey man, where'd you park? Oh, there's a bunch of
Oh, you love it? How you doing, girl?
I didn't know I thought it. I didn't even know that. I just knew it. I knew it. Right. nada, bro.
Yeah, that I was just gonna point that out. That's nice. I like that color.
It's like in, and then it goes.
Yeah,
down.
yeah, these are the seats that
Right,
guy
okay, fine,
had.
yeah.
And that gray one you looked at the pictures, those are the ones, except this was blue. And that's white. But it was on that color card.
Yeah, but shouldn't it be like that? You just get it on there.
Nice choice. That's not bad. Wenn er von der Seite ausschaut, als wäre der Linksliga.
Sí. Espera, dame un segundito.
That's not your city, but the idea.
Exactly what would have happened is, and everybody, my whole life in Ireland was on the left. Everybody called it that.